Good morning, traders. Can I get a sound test, please? Hey, David, Conrad. Sound good? Yeah. Boker Tov, Flora. Yesterday I saw CFLT after I told you, take it above 48. Take it. I won't take it, so it work. What? 7 points from 48 to 55. Yesterday, all the stock that I followed, I missed. That's why I was just so unfocused yesterday, so I just finished my day early. The haircut? That's from yesterday, Yuri. Even 2 days ago, I think. Wait a second. Can't remember. I think from yesterday. Yeah. And I saw that Ed Zeros posted some very nice trade yesterday. Hey, Ed Zeros, good morning. Just talking about you. JKS and Space. And let's hope that today we'll trade better. I'll trade better. Yesterday I was flat all day, and then I made a lot in the run of Facebook, then shorting it at the end of the day. I keep getting lucky instead of trading smart. Well, Eskar, the luck is going with the good guys. The luck is going with the good guys. And actually at Zeros, I think today we should also watch the solars for shorts. I mean, we are pretty much extended for the upside, not only ENPH, but other stocks like JKS. After yesterday, it moved up 22%. And SunPower, okay, you wrote SunPower. So we'll take a look. And we have one small IPO, but first let's start with today's picks. So, do you see my screen, guys? See my screen sharing? Yes, okay. So again, I'm going to talk about my extended stocks, but first let's start with big mover. So Space, yesterday we saw a very nice pullback in Space. It broke the 53, 52, 50 and bounced back up to 55. I mean, intraday move, very volatile, but maybe today we're going to test the low from yesterday, 52.50. And actually that's okay. After we moved up so sharp from 14 to 40 to 55 in 2 months. I mean, this is just an amazing move thanks to Space. I think we're going to see a pullback, and maybe it's going to happen today, but because Space is so volatile, we need to trade it carefully. I don't think I'll take it in the first 10 minutes. I will let it shake out all the early traders, and then I will follow it, and I'm going to follow it for a short today. Space, well, I think it's okay to see Space under 50, and I'm holding it in my swing account, but I think we're going to see it under 50 soon, maybe today. So my first candidate for today will be Space. Second one will be Pio. Okay, this is a SPAC, guys, Pioneer. Okay, are you familiar with the company Pioneer? Very familiar with people that working with internet. Yeah, very good Israeli company. And work with Shopify. It's like Stripe. It's like international bank account. Okay. Yeah, you can. This is very, very useful company for the 2021. Okay. And I think we're going to see interesting move today in Pio. And today was the SPAC. I mean, yesterday the merge just happened, and this is like ME. If you remember ME, the first day of the SPAC, the stock moved from 9 to 13. So maybe today people will buy Pioneer because this is a very, very strong company, Pioneer. So it will be very interesting to follow it. So we have Space, Pioneer, and of course, like you wrote, guys, the Bitcoin stocks. Let's start with Mara. Very strong daily chart, beautiful cup and handle. We have Riot. Actually looks the same. We have CAN under 10. Maybe it will bounce. We have BTBT. And the biggest one that we should follow, and today we're gapping up almost 4% in this one, MSTR. And like we said, this is the biggest Bitcoin holder in the world, 105K. So that's a huge amount of Bitcoins that MSTR is holding. So because you can see that MSTR bounced from 400 almost to 650, this is more than 50% in a week. And what the Bitcoin does? Nothing, right? MSTR, which holds a lot of Bitcoin, moved up 50%, and the Bitcoin is moving sideways. So who is following who? MSTR is following the Bitcoin, or the Bitcoin will follow MSTR. And if that's true, we're going to see the Bitcoin above 45, according to MSTR, right? Because I think people buying the dip in the Bitcoin through a MSTR. Okay, so it's interesting to follow MSTR. I'm not trading MSTR because it's very spreading, untradable, I think. But Mara, Riot, if you want SQ, also related to the Bitcoin, let's see SQ chart. Yeah, looks almost the same, all of them. So we have the Bitcoin stocks, Pioneer, and Space. Let's talk about momentum stocks. First, Beyond. Beyond, beautiful daily chart. We bounced from the 200 SMA. Yesterday we moved above this resistance, 158. Yeah, 157.20. Yesterday we touched 158 and looks very strong on its daily chart. Let's see if we're going to see another green day in Beyond, because every time it bounced, we can see a pullback. So today will be a test for Beyond. We have Plug Power. Aiden, good morning. Okay, small gap up right now. Amazing daily chart. Inverted head and shoulders. You can see a beautiful support with the 200 SMA, with the 50 EMA. Okay, you can see we have a beautiful, the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and we're moving above it. This is the high for the last almost 3 months. So Plug will be interesting today, Plug Power. And we have Workhorse. Yesterday I missed Workhorse. Beautiful daily chart yesterday. That was obvious it will bounce. Today we're gapping up. Yesterday highs was 18. Exactly 18. That means that maybe today we're going to test the 18. And if we're going to test the 18, the next target will be 1859. And if we'll move above 1859, I think 20 is the next target. Okay, actually this is exactly 1859. Okay, you know what? That's interesting, guys. We have a lot of short sellers in Workhorse. And now you can see that the high, 1859, 8059 Workhorse. We should follow it today for another leg higher. And we have all the electric vehicles from yesterday. NIO, that almost touched 50 yesterday. Today pre-market, no. Almost touched 50. And that's fun because NIO traded a few weeks ago 30. So we are up almost 70% in 1 month. We have NIO, we have XPEV, we have LI, and the last one we have Tesla that Scott wrote for a short, and I think I agree with Scott. Okay, because maybe we're going to see the 700 before, but Tesla is just hanging there, right? I mean, what's going to happen next? Tesla will go back lower to the 650 or maybe to the 600, or we move above 700. Who knows? Very, very volatile stocks, and we are hanging on the hair in Tesla right now, so we should follow Tesla both ways today, and I agree with Scott that maybe we're going to see it pull back. Extended charts. First, we have Roku, still extended. Yesterday, I took only $460 in Roku. I shorted it here, and it closed the day higher. But again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green candles in a row in Roku. I will say it again. 9 straight green candles. 2 weeks that the stock is just moving up. We gotta see a pullback, guys. Roku, I'm going to short it again today. And we have all the solar stocks. Let's start with ENPH, which I stopped out yesterday. ENPH, crazy. Jinko Solar, JKS, that yesterday 8 zeros posted. See the chart, posted it above 48, and after 10 minutes it was above 52. And I think, guys, we moved from 35 to 50. This is 50% in 3 days. What's going on? So we have the Roku, the solar stocks, and the same short squeeze from yesterday, but we are gapping down. Now I saw BGS, small gap down, still interesting. I almost took it above 33.80 yesterday, but I didn't. And now it's looking very nice again. Let's see if it will move higher. And we have one small IPO today, DDL, Chinese company from Shanghai, made big numbers. Actually, the revenue is 1.7 billion and the profits are minus 400 million, which is good because we want to see that growth company are losing money. So that's it for today pre-market picks. And let's hope that today I will trade focus. I will trade better with Gabe, Clifton, Scott, Galia, Agi, Danny is in the room. So guys, good luck and I'll see you in 10 minutes. Thank you.
Traders, good morning. It's Scott. Welcome to the Tradenet Trading Room. Welcome to a beautiful Tuesday, second day of the week. And here we go. We're chasing day number 6 of profitability. Day number 5 was yesterday. 5 straight days in a row of green trading for myself. Many of you have been enjoying the ride this week. Congratulations. Welcome to everybody here in the room. Welcome to everybody on social media this morning on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, StockTwits. Great to have everybody here this morning, and we are ready to rock and roll today. Going to be a great day on a Tuesday. Yogi's gone over a lot of the information. We're going to talk about a little bit more here, talking about the futures here and the direction and some stocks today. Got some great stocks. I think we're ready to roll. So we'll say good morning to everybody here in a moment. Good morning to everybody on social media. And listen, if you're trying to get into this room, if you're trying to get the training that you need, that you want, that you were thinking about getting, we've got a great deal for you. We have got a package deal right now for June. It ends tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day that you can take advantage of it. You get the certificate with the packages. Come back, reload, do whatever you need to do, and it's got the training along with the packages here. And it's a great time. Buy one package and get a free voucher. That's happening now until tomorrow. So you've had time to take a look at it. Tomorrow is the last day to push the button and to come aboard. So we're looking forward to hosting you. Looking forward to having you here in the room. And thank you for all those that have joined us. Well, what a difference a day makes. And here we go on a Tuesday. Let's talk about the markets, get you all geared up and ready to rock and roll today. As we do each and every day, let's start with Asia in the overnight session. We were sleeping here in the States. They were up and trading in their world markets where everything was red across the board. Nikkei down 235, Shanghai and China down 33, and the Hong Kong Hang Seng down 274. Europe, however, green across the board. German DAX up 175, FTSE in the UK up 36, CAC 40 in Paris up 38.59. You combine it with Asia, you got 3 markets up, 3 markets down. And our futures here, a little bit up, I guess. Dow futures up 96, S&P futures up 1.5 points, and the NASDAQ futures down 19 1/4 after having a huge day yesterday. You got oil up 55 cents, up 0.75% to 73.46 a barrel, and gold down $28 almost, 27.7999, down 1.56%, down to 1752.90 per troy ounce. All precious metals are down. Silver's down 56 cents, copper down about 4.475, platinum down $31.70, getting crushed, down 2.66%. Palladium's down as well. So where does that put us today? Well, you've got a couple of things here. United Airlines coming out, unveils a 270 jet Boeing and Airbus order. its largest ever for post-COVID growth. That's big time. JP Morgan is out buying a ESG investing platform. That's another big thing. And housing starts. Home prices surged in April at a truly extraordinary rate, as they say in the Case-Shiller index here. That's big. That's fueling the economy. And again, we are at day number 2 of case studies today with Michael. Day number 2 today in the main room today. You had day number 1 yesterday. Day number 2 today. I've got mentoring on Thursday. Michael's got day number 3 tomorrow. We are ready to rock and roll here in the room. Get you prepared for the day. Let's talk about some stocks here. And before we do that, we'll say good morning to everybody here in the room. Let's see. Good morning to Jack. And good morning to Thanawat. Steve B., good morning to you. Brian, good morning. Yashash, good morning to you. And Victor, good morning. And good morning, Taman. Yes, keep the green days going. I love it. Yep, this will be day number 6. Aaron, good morning to you. Paul Kunat, good morning to you from Asia. Back to you from the US of A today. Javed, good morning to you. And good morning, Conrad. Great to have you here this morning. All right, let's take a look at these stocks here this morning. Get you prepared for the day. And good morning, Ad Zeros. Great to have you here today. All right, purple, PRPL. First stock here. I'll paint this one red for the turn down if we get it here this morning. PRPL, again, not a big volume stock, so we're going to have to watch that with a grain of salt as we get started. 26.50 to the short side here, under 26.50, PRPL. And then CERE. Again, I like it over 20. I'll post it over 20, even though it is over 20 right now. We'll watch this here as we open up the day closer as we get the opening bell coming up. And then Boeing, big order coming in from United, 243 on the long side here. It just went through there just a moment ago. We'll watch that. And then to the downside, you've got space to the downside, but I like this ATOS. It's not a big mover, but it moved pretty big yesterday. We'll pull this one down here. TXT up as well. XPO could roll over, but let's watch this one here. ATOS. We'll put it down here under $8 this morning. ATOS. Paint this one red so everybody knows what's going on. ATOS short under 8 this morning. All right, and we got more. Morgan Stanley looks great over 91. That stock here, if you look at this, put this one on your radar today. Over 91, it's bumped its head up there a couple of times, even in the in the post market yesterday. Right now, over 91 looks great. Take a look at the daily here on this. 91 probably gets you back up to that 93, 94 area here. So watch this 91 as we go with Morgan Stanley. Riot, Mara, both of them up and moving higher this morning. And in the room today, we've got Yogi, who you just heard from. Gabe and Clifton are here, our Tradenet support team, doing a great job handling everything that you need throughout the day. If you need anything at all, click on their names, and they will be here to assist you. My trading partner, Michael Revy, will be joining us here today. Again, you're in the first session of the day. The morning session, we've got the lunch session, and then the afternoon session takes you all the way through to the closing bell today at 4 o'clock, and I'll be here with you today. Galia is here. Galia translates each and every day from English to Russian. Great to have Galia here this morning. And then Aggie LaFleur, who just posted her picks for the day. Each and every day, Aggie hosts the team at 8:30. Going to have a special hosting today. If you want to trade with Aggie this morning in her room, in one of the training rooms, you can do that. Clifton's got it right here. Clifton's got the link, and you can link into Aggie's room this morning where she's doing some training, and that's in the guidance room. Thank you to Clifton. All right, Yogi will be trading with me today. Meir continues to be gone and on vacation, doing very well. A message with him yesterday, and we certainly miss him, but that's not going to get in the way of us having a profitable day. So in less than a minute, we are going to be, oh, there we go. We are going to be starting this day, and I'm looking forward to training with everybody today. Should be an up day in the market. We'll see how that goes, and then as we start to rock and roll today, let's commit to ourselves to make sure that we are on top of the markets, that we are absolutely working together here to make this success. We've got one IPO today, small one, DDL, and Coin, absolutely. So let's get these. Let's get this one level 2 down here. I do like the PRPL trade, PRPL short this morning. We're going to watch that one together. Okay, we are ready to rock and roll, traders. I'm excited to be here. Hopefully you are too. Ready to make this day the best day of the year. So let's make it happen today. Let's sit back, relax, watch it all happen. Danny's here this morning. Good morning to you, Danny. And here we go. 2, 1, and the market is live. Let's have a great day, traders.
Good luck, traders. Workhorse approaching 18. We talked about it. Too fast for me, but Roku approaching 18.
Okay, CERE is going to be over 20. Watch CERE over 20. And watch the break of purple under 26. Did not get it at 26.50. We'll watch this here. Maybe we'll get it at 26.50. Maybe it'll pop back up. We'll see. Okay, watch CERE. We're going to go long at 20. Yeah, did not that ATOS move too quickly here? Watch purple under 26 PRPL. Tesla, big pull down, Yogi.
I know it's too soon,
Yeah, I'm short.
but Roku
Short purple.
under the lows. 439. Taking a normal risk, 3-point stop loss.
So let's take a look at both of these. Purple and CERE. CERE target's going to be $21 this morning. $21 on the CERE trade. Coming up on it right now. Come on, 21 bucks. Give us $1 right at the start here. Boom, explosion. There we go. 21, 21, 21, 21. There we go. 21, 23 out. 3/4 of the trade out. 21, 23. Nailed that, baby. Nailed it. Now let's let that one grow and let's watch purple to the downside now.
Short in Roku.
Okay, good start.
Maybe today will be the day
Good start.
of Roku.
Boeing, I love Boeing here. Let's pick a line in the sand here. 243 Boeing. BA. Okay, Boeing long 243. Off to the races, traders. Off to the races. Okay, there goes Cree, and there goes purple, looking great on both fronts here. We're going to be buying here on the, I'm sorry. Yeah, there we go. On the Boeing trade, 243. Okay, short purple, long Cree. And watch Boeing. 243 entry Boeing. See the level 2s on the left side of my screen here. CERE still going off. I like it. Up over 22, I'll come out of some more. Purple looking great.
At zeros, I'm not going to join you there. Short in net. Still in Roku. I'm following Workhorse. Space moving higher.
XPO, if it had some volume, we'd be shorting that stock, I think. Okay, Cree, unbelievable, Yogi, unbelievable. Now pushing 23.
Wow, nice.
300 more shares out right now, traders, 2280. And I will have the rest here, 200 shares left on CERE. Way to start it off. Way to start off the day. CERE, big, huge winner today. I love it. I love it. Boeing no trade. We're going to adjust the Boeing trade to 242.50 here on the Boeing trade long. 242.50. Watch this.
Okay, Roku moved under the lows. 2 points. But I really want to see it crashing today, so I'll wait.
242.50 on Boeing. Probably slow, but 242.50. I'm looking for at least a point, 243.50 and beyond.
Jinko Solar moving up sharply. S&P moving up sharply, but the Qs is pulling down. That's interesting. Wow, Jinko Solar, what a huge move.
Just watching now. Just watching now on Boeing. Wouldn't it be a blessing to have that 244 here on Boeing? Anything under 221.50 on CERE, I'll come out of the rest here. Could space be setting up for a good short here too? Tesla, nice bounce back.
Very strong pullback in the Qs.
Come on, Boeing, don't give up on us. Counting the chickens before they're hatched a little bit with Boeing, maybe a little bit too premature.
Well, the Qs is just unstoppable, guys. All-time high, every day. We're watching it, just crazy. A first pullback in Jinko Solar. Strong pullback. I'm still in Roku.
Watching Jinka as well. In the Boeing trade. Purple, I'm going to add some here at the break of 26 again, right where I was before. Come on, Boeing. CXM, Heather? Take a look at that. Previous IPO. Not a whole lot of volume for me to come in. 26.50 though if you need to come in, yeah. And then beyond. Not much there today. No volume in beyond. Certainly 156, Jordan, you could go long the stock. Yep. Cree saved by the bell here. I think it goes higher now. CERE. Still waiting on Boeing.
Space looking interesting, but I already took Roku, so I'm not going to play with space so soon. The market,
Boeing
the
stop
Qs is
loss
still
will
moving
be
sideways.
241.50. 241.50.
The S&P with a bull flag. And Pioneer maybe above 11. Let's follow.
$241.50 on Boeing.
Okay, let's see. Maybe Pioneer will be good. Above 11. Okay, red candle in the S&P.
Still holding on to BA. Still holding on to BA. Not going to come out on the spike here. 200 shares left, CERE. Full share size left on purple, PRPL. Let's take a look at laser. Add zeros. L A Z R. There we go. Yeah, not a big mover. 2270 looks great. Morgan Stanley pulling down. 5250 on space looks great. Still sticking with the Boeing trade. We're going to let 200 more shares go of CERE. 200 shares out here. We're going to be approaching this $24 range here on CERE. Still in purple.
Guys, Pioneer getting close. Still full share size in Roku. Waiting for a fail. The S&P is approaching the lows. The Qs is moving higher. Such a split market. When we open the S&P moved higher and the Qs dropped. So
look at that CERE, Yogi. Unbelievable.
wow, nice. Wow, huge give and go.
Just incredible.
Okay, sorry. Pioneer above. Yeah, I'm not going to short this one.
Yeah, so far so good, Alejandro. Boeing is the only thing keeping me awake right now, and then purple. We just need purple to dive under 26. In fact, I'm going to add a little bit more to my trade. Since I'm out of the Cree trade with just 100 shares left, we're going to go back to purple here, adding under 26 on the purple trade.
I'm about to close.
So
Roku.
also on the CERE trade, I mean, if you look at the daily here, this big huge gap, right? This is not sustainable. May not happen now, but certainly the stock can and will pull back at some point in time. I'm just waiting on Boeing right now. Remember, we came into Boeing at 242.50. I've endured some pain right now, and then watching purple to add to this trade. Mara. That I'll tell you what, both Mara and Riot look great. I think I'm going to choose Mara, and I'm going to go long this stock here. In fact, we'll switch it out with this ATOS right here and put Mara right here. ATOS up on my other screen. 4-monitor layout here, traders, that I use. Mara is going to be long over 33. Mara, long over 33. And we'll post it here before we take it as usual.
Yeah, Pioneer moving sideways. I have an order, and I'm still in Roku. Our stop loss will be 41.50. That will be a full risk unit.
Okay, here we go with Mara. Long the stock, Mara. Target's going to be at least 40 cents. Might be able to get 50 out of it if we continue this upward move. Keep an eye on Riot. They should be trading in tandem almost.
Stopped out from Roku.
Purple not doing much of anything.
Solar stock continuing to move higher.
MSTR just piling it on. Wow. About 20 cents to go on Mara.
Okay, I'm canceling my order in PAYO. Yeah, canceling it right now. So only one stop loss with Roku. It's going to be another green day, both in Roku, both in the market maybe.
$0.18 to go here on Mara.
Yeah, you're welcome, Ether. I told you CFLT is going to be a huge winner. That's why I didn't take it. But it's to work. Moving from chart to chart, looking for my next trade.
15 cents to go, Mara. Come on, baby. 40 cents. There we go. Flash 40 did not come out on Mara. Did not come out on Mara. Waiting for it. And there we go. 46 out. 3/4 of the trade, Mara. Got you, baby. Got you, Mara. Only thing I'm lacking right now is Boeing, and it's eating me up right now. All right. Purple under where we need to have it here at the 26. Loving that.
I'm going to short QFIN under 41.
Still riding the purple trade. Come on, purple.
Okay, I'm short in QFIN. The low is 40.60. I would like to see it under the lows, of course. Okay, nice. Oh, beautiful breakdown. Come on, QFIN. Move under
Anything
40.60.
under 33, I'll come out of the rest tomorrow.
And we're approaching the lows. Wow, Jinko Solar. Next target is 60. Still full share size with QFIN. Almost took my first target. I took it with 20 cents and we saw 40. But I think we're going to see it under the lows. Now it's bouncing higher.
Mara, baby. Keep going. Boeing's starting to come now.
Wow, Jinko Solar. What a huge move. You see it coming. Okay, watch the daily chart of QFIN. The lows from 2 days ago is 40.55. So we are getting close to this level. Actually, that could be a huge winner. If it will break 40.50, then maybe the next target will be 40. Let's see. Okay, QFIN, we are at the lows. Let's see a breakdown. Okay, and we are under the lows. I'm going to take my first target. Let's see if we'll break the 40.50.
Purple still looking good. Here comes our Boeing trade finally. And Mara looking good here. Got 3 trades on. Boeing long, purple short, Mara long right now. There goes Boeing. Come on, baby.
Guys, QFIN, 50 cents. Let's wait for the breakdown of the semi-round number. I'm still full share size. 3 cents away. 2 cents away. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Every time it's bouncing like crazy. Okay, next time the ask will be under 60. I'll take my first target in QFIN. This is exactly right. Now, we'll count till 5. QFIN. Come on, 2 cents away from the round number. Break it. 40, 1 cent away. And we're under the, okay, 70 cents. Now let's see the ask moving lower. Still full share size. UFIN, come on, let go, let go. Above 55, I'll take my first target. Only half position because so far it's looking like the markets are aiming lower. Still full share size, QFIN.
Coming up on just getting flat right now. Yogi on the Boeing trade. Just getting flat right now, traders. Again, 242.50 was my entry here. SOL, let's take a look at it. Yeah, it was, right? It looks good. I mean, 10 break to go higher.
Guys, QFIN, 70 cents without any target. Boom, 80 cents. We're approaching the 40. Boom, I'm green today thanks to this huge breakdown. Okay, I think we should take our first target. I'm taking it right now. Took my first target, QFIN. Okay, now after we covered the loss in Roku, you're welcome at 0. Yeah, QFIN, watch the daily chart. I took only half share size because, guys, if we'll break the 40, it's going to be great. Okay, Jinko Solar, maybe we'll short it at zeros. What do you say, under 55.80? Watch the daily chart.
Come on, Boeing. $33 on Mara is where I'll come out of it.
Guys, you know, no, I didn't take it. Someone posted a comment on my post yesterday that I have only 45% success rate, or 50. I don't know how we counted, but let's assume 45. I stopped out in Roku with $770 loss, and I took my first target with QFIN $1,500 my first target, still $200, $400 running. So you just need to manage your risk wisely, and then 50% is amazing as well.
Yeah, I'll keep this Mara on here till 34.
You know that JKS, maybe I'll take it 55.50 with 70 cents stop loss.
Yeah, space is a very nice trade. Finally, Boeing. A little bit of green.
Guys, kind of the trades that I'll take without stop loss. Okay, now we're moving higher, so maybe I won't take it. Yeah, I'll take it under 55.50. Very risky trade, guys.
Morgan Stanley looking good. Boeing, Mara. Purple, I'm starting to turn a little red on here. We'll see again under 26. CFLT. Oh, yeah. Wonder why. It's Confluent. Tell you what, pulls down to 50, probably be a good buy. Let's watch that, Jamshed.
Guys, I'm going to short Jinko Solar and QFIN approaching the 40. Amazing. Oh, I don't have batteries in my mouse. Ah,
Boeing, baby, come on. Boeing, finally. I'd say 243.50, 243.60. $33 on MARA. I'll be out of the trade. MARA. Watch Mara, see if it bounces here. If not, I'm going to come out of Mara, MARA. Awesome, Conrad. Way to go. Take the rest of the day off. You've had that great a job.
Hey guys, sorry. I ran out of batteries in my mouse. Can I get a sound test, guys? Okay, shorted the Jinko Solar. And QFIN, amazing.
Come on, Boeing. You did us so well. Out of the Mara trade, done with Mara. Finished. And could be done with purple here momentarily here.
Second target in QFIN right now. Okay, that's never happened to me before, guys. I start to move my mouse.
Yeah, I'm going to take Mara off of here.
Do you see the batteries? Short in Jinko Solar. And it's up 7% without any option to do anything. And now the Q is aiming lower. S&P still moving sideways. Guys, let's look for shorts. Let's look for some shorts.
Purple 27 on PRPL, and I'll cover. Remember, we do have one IPO today.
Yeah, DDL. That's a good name for an IPO. It will work.
Thoughts on BEKE?
Wow, AMD.
Stay short under 47.50. And then 47. If it drops down 47, I mean, it could be real nice, Jake. All right, Husheng, take care.
Yeah, I'm still in Jinko Solar. Small loss right now. Hard stop loss will be 56.20. Yeah. 56.20, I think. We saw the view up from below, so that's a good sign in Jinko Solar. Body? What is this stock? Body? This is an IPO? Bond?
Yeah, Mara's bouncing off that 33.
I think I have a trade. But this is right now. JKS is green again. And I think that RIDE, it's one of the stocks, the hype stocks. I think that we're going to see it moving lower today.
Yeah, Boeing's pulled down now. We'll see what Boeing's got in store for us here. Boeing in purple. I'm looking for another trade. Mara might be the ticket up through 33 again. Do like Clove, CLOV over 13. Just not a big mover today. Morgan Stanley 91 looks real good. I'm going to pull this one down over here. Keep an eye on it. And I'll make the call here. I'm going to take smaller share size, but I do like to trade. First of all, let's take a look at the SPY. See if the SPY is pulled down just a bit from the top, but still looking good. Q's in trouble just a bit here. Watch the tech stocks, and then we'll go back to Morgan Stanley. Call it over 91 on the long side here. Small share size to start. We can always add over 91.50. I'm going to go long, 91. Morgan Stanley, MS long, 91. Remember, we do have one IPO today as we get the day going.
Yeah, QFIN, almost 2 points. And Jinko Solar. Guys, Jinko Solar, maybe we can add under 54.60 and RIDE triggered. Come on, Jinko Solar. I knew I'm going to short you today. QFIN, RIDE. Now the market needs to fall. Posted Roku again. I'm going to take it with small share size. Oh, QFIN. Should we take another target right now? 2 points, guys. No, that was, yeah, 2 point, under 41. Just move on my watch list and I saw it. So thanks to my great watch list. And I took a Roku, small share size again for a short. And we have 1-to-1 almost in a wide. Look at the big quantity, small stop loss.
Okay, in on Morgan Stanley. In on Morgan Stanley long.
Okay, thank you. Some red
Target, let's go 91.40 or so.
The Qs is moving down sharply. The S&P is still moving sideways, guys, but I think it will follow. I don't see any reason it won't. And guys,
It's going to try to take 40 cents here. That's all.
take your profits in QFIN. It's extremely extended to the downside. Moved like 5% in 10 minutes. One-way ticket. Now the S&P is following the Qs. What happened to laser? So you talked about it. Wow. Guys, I'm going to add in Jinko Solar. Jinko Solar. Moving against us right now. Well, if you'll open the level 2 of QFIN, you'll see a huge seller. Say the 950, guys. QFIN. Watch the level 2, it's interesting. QFIN. That is 7,000 shares to sell.
Yeah, right here, almost to the penny here, coming out of Boeing. Just watch it here for the drop. Otherwise, I'm going to come out. Yeah, I mean, Meir right here at 33. That's what I was saying before. It's kind of like a Morgan Stanley trade. How it's pulled back and starting to run through the round number.
Ugly entry in wide. And now Jinko Solar moving against us. And I closed Roku.
Okay, finally Morgan Stanley. Here we come, baby. I'll take a look at JKS.
And Zeros, you want to take it for a long? I'll close it above 56.20. Well, maybe you're right. Yeah, it looks strong right now.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to roll over here, this CERE. Shorty under that 24. Take care, Seth. Yep. $91.40 or so on Morgan Stanley. $91.40. Excuse me.
Yeah, I'm about to close the JKS with a loss.
$91.40.
Okay, stopped out from Jinko Solar. Not yet, but okay, stopped out. And I stopped out from wide. Still last quarter in QFIN for my next trade.
$0.18 to go now, Morgan Stanley. 18 cents to go, Morgan Stanley.
Yeah, I'm looking for my next trade.
Okay, traders, I'm out of the purple trade, PRPL. That was a short. That's a losing trade for me.
The S&P is still moving sideways. Now the Q is aiming lower again. Yeah, that was a nice scalp at zeros in JKS.
$0.09 to go here on MS.
I think Roblox, after a strong move on its daily chart, maybe today will fail. Take it under the candle
5 cents to go here, MS.
on 10.16.
5 cents to go, MS.
No, I won't take it. Roblox. I'm canceling my order. Too spready, too volatile. Cancelled it. Okay. You're welcome at zeros. Now Jinkos are moving down back again, but the S&P is just, guys, open the S&P. Just moving sideways for so long. I mean, how can we choose direction? Mm.
5 cents to go, Morgan Stanley, MS.
Okay, now the S&P aiming higher.
Okay, finally our Morgan Stanley. We're going to be taking the partial right here at 43, 44, 3/4 of the trade out on, actually going to get 45 right here, out. 3/4 of the trade, Morgan Stanley, 200 shares to go on MS. Real nice here. Those of you that took the trade with me long at 91, the break of the whole number here, real nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 candles here on the breakout. Philip, there is a holiday coming up, though. It's next Monday. Next Monday. It's 4th of July. Clove's starting to move now, too.
Looking for my next trade. I will close the QFIN above 40 last quarter. Oh, the S&P. I can't believe we're moving to a new high in the S&P. The daily chart of the indices is so extended. I won't take JKS for a long, maybe only for a scalp, but this daily chart is just way too extended for a long. Maybe now under 55 with 60-cent stop loss. That could work actually. Yeah, JKS under 55, I'll take it.
Yep, just 200 shares left of Morgan Stanley. That's it. We can take the level 2 off here. We don't need that anymore. Certainly don't need the Boeing level 2. Yeah, watch Boeing. I mean, I have high hopes for it. I'm going to stick there with the trade.
No, I'm not going to mess with Roku again. Javad. I have full stop loss and then small stop loss. But Jinko Solar under 55.10. Take it under 55.20. I'll change it. 55.20. It's 50 cents.
Or IPO's DDL. Nothing happening with DDL yet. Okay, sit back and wait now.
Yeah, I saw Space broke the 50 today, like I said, but it happened so fast, so I don't mind. I didn't take it. I think my last trade today will be JKS under 55.20. Just closed the QFIN. A Jinko Solar 55.20. Okay, now let's hope that the market will help Jinko Solar. I will take another 55.20. The S&P made a false breakout. Looks like now the Qs is aiming lower again. Jinko Solar getting close. Guys, Clifton is reminding you that tomorrow is the last day of the buy one package and get a voucher free. Here's the link. Enjoy it. And 6 cents away.
Yeah, just one day left. It ends tomorrow. Ends tomorrow. So those of you that are trying to make that decision, do it soon.
Just imagine how many people place their stop loss in Jinko Solar under 55, under 55, under 54.60. Let's hope they will stop out. The Qs is approaching the highs. JKS 4 cents away from taking taking me in. No, it looks like Jinko Solar will move higher. I still have an order. Let's see how it will handle with the VWAP. Actually, I'm red right now. Stopped out in Jinko Solar, stopped out in Ride, stopped out twice in Roku, but the second one was a very small quantity and a huge winner trade in QFIN. So I think that Jinko Solar, I minus 400. But I really think that Jinko Solar will move lower because of its daily chart. If it won't trigger, I will call it a day and maybe I will come back after lunch to take some trades.
Okay, I'm out of the Morgan Stanley trade. Traders done with that.
JKS is still relevant under 55.20. Now even look better than before. Coco is going to have a go at you today. What do you mean, Javad? He's asleep, Coco. Ah, okay. I got it. That's okay. You know, the S&P is moving under the VWAP, but it's still a correction. The Qs with a small red candle. I'm not going to take JKS before 55.20 because it's still strong. Maybe it will bounce again above 56 and I don't want to stuck in this trade because you can see with those spread, the stock is bouncing so fast. Jinko Solar, JKS. I have a stop limit order, 55.19, 55.05. No, the Qs is approaching the highs, the S&P with a tail on the VWAP. We can't move down. The S&P just can't move lower. Such an extended daily chart. 24 points in 2 weeks. This is just insane.
On the CERE trade, do I think it's going to roll over? I do, but we thought about that at 24 when it was looking like that. Okay, the only thing I have left right now is Boeing, traders. It's the only trade that I'm in right now. Seriously thinking about a CERE short, but it's against the way that I trade. The stock's up, the market's up, I want to go long.
Okay, Jinko Solar, every time it's moving above 55.60, someone is selling. That's nice to see. 20 cents away from our trigger. Well, Zaki, I posted the JKS, Jinko Solar, under 55.20 with 50 cents stop loss because of its daily chart. And 10 cents away from our entry right now. Take a look on its daily chart from 36 to 58 in 3 days. You gotta see pullback, right? The Qs moved to a new high. Yeah. Scott, can you place a...
Let us just get out of the Boeing trade now. I can't believe I'm asking that, but...
Can you place the Jinko Solar JKS on one of your charts, please? Let's see if it will break 55.20. $0.16 away, 20 cents away. I'm not going to take it before, guys. It can also move above 56. What happened to CPNG? Let's see. Nice. Finally, this stock is moving up. Maybe Kathy bought some. Wow, what a huge move today. Let's see, Bram, if we have any news. No, nothing special. Let's see, Clove. Yeah, CLOV. Let's see, CCIV moving together most of the time. Yeah. Okay, Jinko Solar above 56. I will cancel my order. And then maybe we'll take a new trade after lunch.
Yeah, and going higher on Clove, Arminder. Zaki, and going higher. Spiking higher. Yeah, Morgan Stanley right back up. The only thing I'm concerned about right now is Boeing. Looking for another trade. Maybe Mara to the upside here. We're watching both Mara and Riot right now. Riot's pulled back down as they've done each time. Gotten a good move on Mara the last time. I'm going to take the Morgan Stanley trade off of here. We're done with this trade. I'm going to pull Mara down here, and I'm going to take this trade over 33 on Mara. Morgan Stanley, nice trade. Mara, 33 long, painted green. Remember, we do have one IPO today. What's the IPO? The IPO is DDL. DDL. Yeah, let's see. I think on the CERE, if you're going to take it short, it'd be under 26. But I'll tell you what, I'd still stay long the trade. I'd look for it to come down to 24 where that VWAP is, and then maybe take it long there. We'll see. CLF. Not a huge mover, but if it comes back up over that 2140, then yeah. Or 2120, sorry.
Okay. I still have an order in Jinko Solar. Now it moved above 56. Maybe I'll take it before. Yeah, I'll take it 55.50, 60 cents. That will be my last trade. 55.50, 60 cents. It's a risky trade, guys. 55.49. I'll take a full risk because I still think we're going to sit under 55 and 54. Now red candle in the S&P and the Qs, so that's going to be my last trade today. False breakout above 56, that was a good sign. ENPH moving down, which is a big solar company, maybe Jinko Solar will follow. Yeah, OCGN every few days. Let's see what's happening today. OCGN. Yeah, every few days. I think this is pump and dump every few days. AUUD? What is this stock? AUUD? Nice. From 250 to 8 in a few days. Pretty much extended right now on its daily chart after 400%. So too late for me. Okay, I'm going to take JKS under 55.50, and guys, open the chart of ENPH. You'll see that it's moving down sharply. SolarEdge also moving lower. That means that Jinko Solar, another solar stock, should follow. And the S&P with a red candle, the Qs, maybe that's a false breakout. $0.05 away, JKS. And I'm short in Jinko Solar. Okay, that's going to be my last trade today, guys. Took full risk under 55.50. 60-cent stop loss, hard stop loss. That's it. Nice entry. Let's hope it will continue. Come on, next target 55. Guys, who took the JKS with me? Because this is a risky trade. It's not an easy trade to take because we are trading against the trend. We are taking short in a very strong stock, up 5%, and we are shorting it. So you need to know how to trade. If you took it with me for a short, and let's hope it will break. Moderna, let's see. Wow. Yeah, absolutely killing it today, mRNA. New all-time highs. Wow, what a beautiful daily, Moderna. Yoni, I'm always thinking the opposite than a new trader think. Pretty sure that people will think only to go long Jinko Solar today. Because to short it will be very, very dangerous, right? So, the daily chart, the solar stocks. JKS, I'm not going to add under 55 because I took full risk. And that will be the trade that will decide if I'm going to finish this day green or red. CERE, well, Scott just talked about it, that it could work, but it's not his style to short it. Okay, Jinko Solar 1-to-1, almost, I got it 55.40.
Out of the Boeing trade. Got no more Boeing. Yeah, I mean, if it's a George, it's a it's a risky trade, I think. But towards 24, definitely breaks down 24. You could take it. If not, could take it off 24 and go long.
Okay, guys, we have 60 cents in JKS. I'll wait. I'll wait for it to move under 54.50. Maybe I'm making a mistake right now. That was a fast 50 cents. If you are working on 1-to-1, take your target right now. I'll wait. Okay, 20 cents from 54.60. Come on. Okay, guys, Jinko Solar, almost a point. 54.60. Come on, break it. Okay, 54.50. Next target. Boom, 1 point, more than a point. Still full share size. Getting ready to take my first target.
A nice move down.
Still full share size. Above 54.60. I will take 3 quarters. Okay. Oh, missed it. Ah. Well, maybe we'll move under 54 later. ENPH moving down sharply, which is good, like I said earlier. I missed my first target.
Good morning, Scott, Yogi, Danny, everyone. May I get a sound test, please?
Hey, Michael.
Hey, Michael. Good morning.
What's going on with the SPY? It's like every time we're moving lower, then we're turning higher, and this is going on now for almost an hour and a half. And so we are still exactly where we started our trading day. Funny.
Yogi, you know what's funny today is that PRPL trade. I actually made money on the short side on PRPL today, and look at this trade. It's up off the bottom. What, $2, $3, $8, $4? Wow.
Okay, guys, I'll take my first target in Jinko Solar. Right. Now, won't I press it bounce? Still full share size in JKS. I missed my first target twice. I was too greedy. Let's say the truth.
CPNG is going to its best trade ever since its IPO. Unbelievable. It's way off my watch list. I mean, I stopped watching it maybe 2 months ago. Yeah. Up 12%. Unbelievable.
Okay, first target in Jinko Solar, less than I wanted right now.
Bram,
Okay, so
there's
I'm
going
green
to be
today.
a trade later in the stock. Wait, there's going to be a trade. It's not far from being over for CPNG today.
Okay, guys, before Michael will take over the room, thanks to Jinko Solar, I'm green. I took Jinko Solar twice. QFIN, the trade of the day for me. I stopped out in wide. And Roku, the strongest stock on Wall Street. And I'm going to take a Coco for a walk. So maybe I will come back later to close the day with Scott. So that's it for me today, traders. Thank you. And maybe I'll see you later. Bye bye. And Michael, good luck, my friend.
Thank you, Yogi. What, Coco is now the mascot of the room?
Yeah. Let's, Coco, I want to say shalom. She's the best dog traders I know. Hi,
He looks
Michael.
mellow today, not very aggressive.
Oh, Jinko Solar, Coco. That's because I took my first target. No, Jinko Solar. Boom. I should have waited. Okay, guys. Good luck, Michael. Enjoy.
See you later, Yogi.
Thank you, Yogi. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. Michael, welcome. And another profitable morning here. We've been had a. I thought, well, let's put it this way: we had money made on Boeing. Didn't take the profit. Let it pull down here. Took us out. Good news on Boeing. Movement great. Just not happening.
I don't know why, but I think by mistake I took Boeing off my watch list. Is it? Yeah, I think it's off my watch list for whatever reason.
Mario, who are they playing? Who's the match?
Guys, those who are watching FTCH for a short trade, it looks great under a 51. The only problem on this trade that we are late by at least, well, no, we are late by 50 cents. We should have been in this trade at 51.50 under the VWAP, risking 25 cents, and now the risk is twice as much, and the entry is at 50. So, despite all of that, the intraday pattern looks very interesting for a short under 51. The market is not supporting at this point any trade. So we are passive on the decision with regard to the SPY or the Qs. Both of them are at the 0 level today. The Qs down 0.1, the SPY up 0.14, so overall 0. Guys, I'm gonna short FTCH under 51. I can't find any even one long trade today. So maybe that's a signal that we need to change tune a bit. And I will take the stop loss to 51.35. So 35 cents of risk. The VWAP is at 50. I guess SPC today selling off sharply. Again, maybe it was downgraded. I'm not sure what happened there, but obviously after spiking from 40 to nearly 60 in 2 days, that's profit taking time. W is always a spready, fast, also I might say aggressive mover. Those are big red day for W. Nothing on the long side for me so far today. Speedia continues to be weak. Roblox, which was great yesterday, also red. CLOV, let's take a look. CLOV. Yeah, it's up.
I'm going to try Meir 32.50 with a $32 stop loss here.
Yeah, that's the breakout trade in CLOV. Not a great stop loss. The stop loss for you is almost down to the VWAP period. It's 13.10. We need to step out of this obnoxious range on the SPY. We've been trading basically higher for 6 days in a row now, and the volumes keep getting lower, and the ranges keep getting lower. Today it's like 60 or 70 cent range today.
Okay, here comes the Mara entry, 32.50. I think this CERE probably sees below 24 today, sure. Maybe 22.
Guys, we need to wait for CPNG to cool off. It's now after $4 run pretty much from the lows. Let's wait. There will be a trade there.
Mara target, we're going to look for 30 cents out of here. 30 cents out of the Mara target. Traders, again, we had two things. Number one is the package discount ends tomorrow on the 30th, number one. Number two, Aggie's been doing such a great job in the room each and every morning at 8:30. Today, you not only got the, let's help with the charts and show you how to walk through the platform, but also hung out and took some trades in the morning. So doing a great job of any of the new traders getting ready to come in, getting ready to totally understand the platform and how to trade. Aggie's doing that Tuesdays and Thursdays, but every day she's in there reviewing the platform, getting you ready for the trading day. That's in the guidance room. Clifton has the link here in the room, in the main room, and doing a great job. So keep an eye on those. Again, today, case studies course number 2 with Michael. That's at 4:05. Right here in this room, we're going to keep the YouTube and social media feeds going. And then tomorrow, Michael will have day number 3. And then Thursday, I've got the mentoring session this week. So again, 6th day of profitability. I am green today, a good amount. Slower day yesterday, but still off to the races today. I'm looking forward to trading for the remainder of the day. I'll trade with you today until the 4 o'clock hour today. So.
I can't believe the 4th of July is around the corner. It's like more than half of the year already is gone. CLOV broke, but if you are in this trade, Bram, I would settle for a 20-cent target. No way we'll get, I think. I don't see any way that you're going to get 40 cents here in this trade, but there is some pickup in volume, so that's actually a positive thing. Yeah, best volume bar so far today. This is a positive. CRE under 25. Under 25. Well, the VWAP is at 23.7. Sorry, under 25. Wow, this is a big mover. I didn't pay attention. CRE. This is a very big mover. I was thinking, wow, the VWAP looks very close. It's at 24.75. Actually, the VWAP is at 24.10 or 15. As you can see, Bram, he touched the 20 cents and now moving lower. It's like 20 cents is a magical number for small caps. FTCH, guys, is still around and trading now at 51.20. So we have a new stop loss on this trade. Instead of 51.50, the 51.30. Again, with the market doing nothing, actually that's the only new trade idea that I have at this point. FTCH. Looks like CPNG is starting to sell off. We have the 42 support level, then the VWAP at 41.50, and then 41. I'm waiting for a trade on CPNG. LAZR, let's take a look. Not a very cooperative market today. LAZR is
really.
down like...
Here's, I am long the Mara trade right now. Long Mara.
You can use
Clove, if Clove gets to 14, you can see it here. It's big, and then it run to 15, and then moving higher, right? And this stock could do it today. People get behind it, and it'd be crazy, absolutely crazy. But who knows? A little bit of a risk, but through 14, like you're saying there, yes. I mean, it could actually happen.
No IPOs today, Scott?
We have one IPO today. It's DDL, and it's not out yet. In fact, it's not even, nothing on the level 2 at all.
Ding Dong Kaiman?
Yeah, about 30 cents, 20 cents down on the Mara trade.
What the hell is that? What happened, Scott? The algos ran out of the trade ideas, or what? Looking at Playboy,
Yeah, really.
Even Playboy is up to date, but not as volatile as the one would expect.
Mara stop's going to be right under 32, Tanvir. Right under 32. Anything under 32, I will be out of the trade.
And many of the stocks that I'm watching are trading very narrow ranges and low volumes. Guys, take a look at TWOU. TWOU. I don't want to force a trade, but this one looks nice for a reversal over 4270. The daily is also very strong. 4270.
Wow, look at Clove go. That's amazing. Yeah, HIMX, very nice. Right here at 16 on the breakout, HIMX. Actually, 1620 would be the breakout. Still waiting on Mara. Okay, traders, natural break for me. I'm going to take off here. I will be back after 1:30 today. Again, set up for the rest of the day. Let's go. Let's just talk about where I'm at right now. I am up 18, 22, 30, and 400. I am up 3960 actually, 3960 exactly. I will see everybody afterwards. After lunch hour here today, I'll be back. Still going to stick with the Mara trade. What's to come? We've got Michael at 4:05 today with case studies. I'm going to take you all the way through the close today till 4 o'clock. And then we'll be back again tomorrow for a Wednesday session, midweek hump day. That's case studies day number 3. And then Thursday, I will be back here doing the training for mentoring. So looking forward to that. So Michael, it's all yours. You can take down the charts. Traders, I'll see you after lunch. Everybody have a great lunch hour with Michael. Thank you so much for the morning session. We are positive again. Green Day number 6. And here we go. Talk to you in a little bit. Thanks again, Michael.
See you after lunch, Scott? Very nice move in CLOV. 20 cents, a pullback to the entry, and another leg of 45 cents. Unbelievable. That's a lot for $13 stock, really. Let's watch HIMX. Wow, that's all-time highs for HIMX. Nice reversal over 1550. Why isn't it on my watch list? Now I see it. There was an entry point in CPNG at 4250, but you needed to act like super fast based on a 2-minute bar, and that was it. For CPNG over 4250, and it was too fast. I didn't trade it, so it's back to the highs of the day. AVXL short 26. Let's take a look. Yeah, I will join you on this trade. Plenty of buyers. Risk is 20 cents. Plenty of buyers at 26. The VWAP is not in play, but we can use the 26.18. That's what I'm going to do. Risk 18 cents. Try to get 40 cents on the leg down here. Jimmy, so I'm going to join you on this trade short-term AVXL under 26. Low risk trade, and I don't have anything on the upside anyway, so. In the trade, stop loss for me is going to be 26.21. You know what? 26.21. The target 25.70 to 60. I mean, can we get anything going here? I don't know, but we can try. If CLOV can move for 45 cents, anything is possible. The market refuses to do anything. This is unbelievable. On the other hand, CPNG is killing it. So maybe not focusing on CPNG is a big mistake today. I don't know. Nice initial move in AVXL, 20 cents. I will take the partial if we get to the 25.60. If we can get there, it's going to be great. If not, I will wait. Another stock that I talked about, and it's still in play for me, this reversal higher over 42.70. You can see it in the room in AVXL, 42.70. Not great. Spreads, volume is lousy. You know what? I will cancel the trade in TWOU. Technical pattern looks good. Other than that, nothing is okay there. The volume is very low. The spreads are like 5 cents, 10 cents. Okay, I'm canceling, guys. TWOU. FTC. You know what? I forgot about FTCH. Yeah, it's still in play. Now we have a new stop loss, 30 cents and nothing else. This is like the least volatile market ever. I cannot believe it. That cannot continue. That will change July 1st. I think fundamentally it must change July 1st. New quarter, new money, new deals, new ideas, new earning season, new everything. Guys, you wanna make money in Bark? It's not a joke. There is a symbol BARK. Never encountered this one so far. The original Bark company was weird. Yeah, CLOV is an amazing trade. Amazing. I didn't trust it to do anything. Being that it is a $13 stock or was a $13 stock, why would it suddenly move 20 cents? It moved 20 and now 70, basically. And this is unbelievable, this CLOV trade. Really, really amazing. 80 cents now in the money? That would have been a greater trade for lunch, an amazing trade for lunch. Unless we shorted SPC. SPC is like basically now, well, it's not working the gap of Friday, but boy, is it weak today. The daily chart is obviously misleading today. I was watching the daily chart in CLOV. CLOV did not see anything interesting there. Waved the trade, and now it's huge winner. I think our hope is now that the market will break under the lows and maybe we can uncover some short trades, because if we will continue this zero range trade. We need definitely only momentum stocks, and I don't see that many at this point. I don't know even what the type of what is the direction to trade here right now. And now I don't see any short trades and any long trades anymore. So let's hope that the IPO is going to deliver. DDL. The name is funny. Other than that, nothing interesting. CRE. Okay, let's take a look. The reversal here, long 25. The VOP is at 24.30. So that's a 70-cent risk on this trade. 70 cents. That's an aggressive entry here at 25. But this is the momentum stock today, no question about that. Best day ever, I guess, for CRE. FTCH and not even close to breaking the 51. AVXL exactly at the entry. Boring. Unless you took a CLOV, that's a boring land session so far. COST long 400. Let's take a look. I don't want to say that Costco is always boring, but it is always boring. Daily, interesting. Very nice break over 397. This is you can see highs of the day 397, and now it's at 398 plus. The daily is also showing. Let me check again on the daily. Yeah, the daily is highs of 2021. We are looking at the highs there right now. Very, very slow move on the daily chart. The Chinese internet stock index is very weak today. Facebook is weak today. Tesla is down. Not out of strength, not out of weakness though. Other than Moderna is at all-time highs. AMD is looking good, but they don't have an entry point. AMD had a great trading day actually today. For those who are watching. Baidu, okay, let's take a look. Why is it Baidu now moving higher and breaking the highs of the day and delivering a $3 move? Beats me. PATH. I have bad memories from yesterday. PATH was such a loser yesterday. It looks great. I think it was the same entry, 69 or 70. And again, a very low risk. You can see a bull flag here. But I would short it the way it trades right now. Under 68.80 and take the stop loss to 69 rather than buy it over 69. You know what? It can go both ways. You know what? The new platform is supporting this type of a trade. Long 69. And stop loss, which is going to be the short trade at 79. And whichever makes it first, I'm going to take the trade. So I posted two orders, long PATH at 69.02, short 68.78. Yeah, finally AVXL. Yeah, finally. The market is at the lows of the day. 8 more cents and I'm taking the partial. It's going to be 40 cents in the money. Actually, it's going to be less for me, but it's going to be a, an okay trade, good trade, Bram. One of the pluses of the new platform is the ability to let the platform decide on the direction, up or down. And this is a very nice case for PATH. Okay, guys, AVXL, finally, we're going to get a partial in this market. That's a good accomplishment. 55, under 55.60. Taking the partial now. If it moves over 25.60, I will take the partial. If it moves lower, I will wait. Wow, I think it's going to break 25.50, the way it trades right now. Let's hope that it will. And then we have a chance at the lows of the day. I think we will. Any second now. I'm going to lock the 61. So if it doesn't break 25.50 for whatever reason, I will take the partial at 25.61. If it continues lower, welcome. Good show, Bram. I definitely need this trade under 25.50. That means maybe the break under the lows of the day. You know what? Short trades are so tough in this market. FTCH is still above 51. I don't see any move there. My order is to short at 51. Yeah, it's impossible to get any big move, any big winner in a short trade. But I'll take a partial, and I'm not gonna get greedier. 25.61 partial. CERE. We talked about CERE. I just don't see. Where is CERE? Wow, this is a fast mover. Yeah. I mean, if you enter the 25 stop loss down to the 24, 24.30, so 70-cent risk on that trade. The market is approaching the lows of the day, so that may help also FTCH break 51. Okay, in FTCH also. Nice initial move in FTCH. What? Oh my god. What the I posted the stop entry in FTCH at 50 instead at 51. Okay, my mistake, guys. The entry should have been, of course, 51. The stop loss 51.29. So my mistake on FTCH. This is really, really a shameful miss for me. Target on FTCH 50.50. The lows of the day are 50.55, so that's the target. 50.60 for the partial, 40 cents. And the market, guys, this is unbelievable. Despite touch the lows of the day, moved down like I think 3 or 5 cents, and moving higher. Wow, this is really, really totally, totally dead. Well, but the best trade over lunch by far the CLOV trade. Wow, that was a big one. QFIN, let's take a look. It's an idea here posted in the room. QFIN. QFIN is very weak today. The view up is at 40.15.